Hi Kavya, how are you doing?
Hi Rishabh, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine Kavya. What about our business growth?
Let's go out for a walk. We'll discuss it over there.
Fine.
Rishabh, I have been thinking about how much our business has been growing over the last 2 years. Our sales have been consistent and our profits have also increased.
Totally agreed Kavya. Our hard work is paying off and now I'm thinking about this is the right time to take our business on next step.
That's a great idea. It will also help us to reach a broader audience.
Our first step should be making our e-commerce website.
Agreed. We should also do social media advertising and email marketing to promote our business online.
That's a great idea, but you have any sort of idea how can we do that?
Yes, I know a friend of mine who is a business analyst and works in a tech company.
Are you sure we can trust him?
Yes, of course. We used to work together. I've seen his work.
That sounds like a beginning of a solid plan, so let's rely on it.
So when should I contact him?
Next Friday.
Alright. Hi Vikram.
Hi Kavya, it's been a while. So how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine too. What's with the work?
That's what I wanted to talk about. Meet my business partner, Mr. Rishabh Saxena.
Hello Vikram, I have so much about your work. Your work is impressive.
I have heard so much about your brand too. Sometimes I shop from that too.
Thank you very much.
Yes, because of our collections, our sales are always good.
That's right. Our business is growing very well in last 2 years. So we wanted to make for our brand a e-commerce website. I heard you have so much experience in your business analysis. So you may insight with your experience.
Sure, I will be delighted to be a part of this project.
Can you tell us about your experience working with clothing brands?
Yeah, recently I worked with many high-end brands to improve their trends and sales popularity. So yeah, that was it.
Well, that's great. May you elaborate?
So you must have heard about a brand called Cludio. I worked with them to identify their trends and increase their sales rate. I also worked with many high sportswear brands to understand the impact of athletes in this current generation and use them to sell their merchandise at a higher rate.
It's great to know you have experience in various aspects of the clothing industry.
Thank you very much for sharing your experience with us. So how we are going to proceed after this?
I will provide you a questionnaire if you are available in an hour.
Okay, we will meet you in an hour.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Mr. Vikram, we are done with your questionnaires.
Thanks. If you are available, I will just get back to you in just 30 minutes.
Okay, fine.
Hey, now let's start with the work. For my better understanding, let's start with the specifications of your website.
We do want our website to be user friendly, easy to use our shopping carts, and obviously seamless checkouts.
And also we want a customer account section for order tracking and personalized profiles.
Okay, that's great. So, do you have any idea about your target audience?
Yeah, our target audience will be fashion conscious people and our regular customers.
We want them to explore our collections, give us their reviews, buy and become our customer.
Oh, I get your point. So, have you have any specific idea about design, logo, themes, and etc.?
Yes, we have a well-defined brand identity including logo and color scheme.
The website should reflect our brand image and value.
Great. By the way, have you have any aim to launch a website at a specific date? So, any
Yeah.
deadlines I should be worried about?
We want our website to be launched within 6 months before the festival season.
Thank you for sharing that. So, let's just talk about the financing. Any financial restrictions or budget that I should know?
Our budget is flexible and we are willing to invest in a high-quality website.
However, we do want cost-effective choices and financial parameters.
Okay, so what I have gathered from the discussion and the questionnaire you filled me in, I will get back to you in few days after discussing it with my team.
Okay, that sounds great. Thank you.
Thanks.
Good morning, Mr. Vikram.
Good morning, Vaibhav.
I heard you called.
Yeah, Vaibhav, we might have a potential new client and I have already got them through the questionnaire, and by analyzing it, I have estimated that we might have a new project around 5 to 10 lakhs. But I want you to go more through it with Kokum and traffic and get back to me in the next 2 hours.
Sure, Mr. Vikram, no problem. I'll analyze it with my team and get back to you as soon as possible. Good afternoon, sir. This is the report you requested. According to our estimates, the cost of this project would be around 12 lakhs. This cost includes our deployment cost, our testing cost, and various other expenses.
So, in your opinion, what's the estimated size of this project?
Sir, according to our estimates, the size of this project would be around 33K LOC.
Is there any way to reduce the size without compromising the quality?
Sure, sir. We can reduce the size of our team to 4 developers and 1 tester, and we can look for other cost-effective technologies.
So, is this project achievable in the next 5 months?
Sure, sir. I will provide you with a prototype within a month, and I'll keep you in the loop as the project progresses. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I've got great news for you all. We have a potential client, Ms. Kavya Singh and Mr. Vishal Saxena. They are the owners of the brand Adore, and they want to expand their business and take it online.
And they need their own website in order to do so.
Exactly. But first, we need to present a prototype to them and get it approved by them. That's why I've called you all here.
So we need to make a sample website, get it approved, then we start with the actual website.
Yeah, first we need to get approval of our proof of concept, and then we'll be signing the SRS document. After that, we'll start building our website.
A sample website for a clothing brand. I mean, it won't be that difficult as we've worked on similar projects in the past. Sir, are there any specific functionalities or features that our client would like to see on the website?
You're right, Aisha. We have worked on the similar projects in the past, but the difference is we have only ever fixed bugs on existing websites. This time we'll be building it up from the scratch.
Sir, are there any specific features or functionality they would like to see on the website?
Yeah, but they have asked for a search engine, a catalog, a secure transaction process, and they also want to integrate their newsletter for customers.
Sir, we assure you that we will do our level best for making a prototype model as soon as possible, and I am 100% sure that we will get this project.
I like your confidence, Rahul. We'll be taking the classical merge stack for this project. We'll also be taking a popular e-commerce website as a foundation for this project. We'll also be integrating the prototype model to complete this project. Guys, I cannot stress the importance of this project enough. If we get this project, it will propel our company to a new level. I hope everyone understands that.
Yes, sir.
Rahul and Aisha will take care of the back-end part for the project. Ishita will take care of the front-end part for the project. Arpit will take care of the database of the project. Ritik will be in charge of the testing phase.
Yes, sir.
When can I expect the prototype to be ready?
I think we will able to complete it in 2 weeks.
Fair enough. We will get the prototype ready in 2 weeks and show it to them. Hopefully, we will get their approval and be able to sign the SRS document for the project. Guys, I'll be organizing regular Scrum meetings to keep track on the process. If anyone thinks they have a doubt or they have a better idea to make the project even better than what the app suggested, then feel free to join us.
So please send the necessary documents regarding the project.
Sure, Aisha. I'll try to send the necessary documents by today itself. Alright, guys. If everyone has understood what they have to do and there are no further questions, let's get to work.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Thank you for joining us today to review the prototype for improvement. We will review your feedback and improve the website accordingly.
Before we start, I just want to thank you for your input. Your input has been invaluable and your perspective will help us great to improve your website. Let's start.
Here's the website.
Thank you. One issue we have noticed is the slow loading speed of the product pages. It's crucial for us to improve the site's performance to keep potential customers engaged.
Yes, slow loading pages can lead to suffer frustration and could result in lost sales. We would like the website to be quicker.
We understand the importance of fast loading pages for a seamless user experience. We will work on optimizing the website to ensure that this issue is addressed as soon as possible.
It is our steadfast commitment to provide our valued customers with an exceptional online shopping experience. And we deeply appreciate your invaluable support in achieving this goal.
We are here to achieve your dream into reality. We will take your feedbacks and start working on them. And if you have any other ideas or options, please feel free to share with us.
Indeed, we can't wait to see the final result. Thank you for your commitment to our brand.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
I've got some great news for you all. The client has approved our prototype and we have also signed the SRS document. The prototype did really great and now it's on you all to make this project a success.
That's a great news, sir. We will do our best.
Yes, it is a great relief to us to have the client's approval. What is our next step, sir?
Excellent. Well, now that the prototype has been approved by the client, we shall move forward with the development phase. We'll be transitioning from prototype to implementation. Rajiv and Akash will take care of front-end and back-end part of the project.
Understood, sir. We will start working on the front-end development right away. So we have already got the design specification from the prototype.
Same here, sir. My team will start developing on backend and setting up the necessary databases. We have got clear roadmap from the prototype.
Excellent. Guys, it's important to maintain clear communication and coordination in this space. Vipin, you will be in charge of quality assurance and making sure that the project adheres to the client's requirements. You will coordinate with Akash and Rajiv to make sure that all the functionalities are added in this project.
Of course, sir. I will make sure we have a thorough testing in place in order to catch any bugs and issues throughout the different phase.
Great. In terms of timeline, we have set an ambitious but achievable goal of 5 months. We plan to deploy the site after 5 months.
We have a detailed project plan in paper and we will be using agile methodology to ensure that we become adaptable to changes.
That's a good point, Karan.
I think it's crucial that we start planning for testing right from the beginning.
6 weeks sounds good to me, but we need to finalize the feature list and prioritize tasks. I suggest we have a separate meeting with our all team members to go over prototype in detail and break into tasks.
That's a practical approach, Akash. We'll schedule that meeting right after this one. Guys, I want to emphasize the importance of communication and collaboration within the teams to make sure that nothing goes wrong with this project.
If we encounter any difficulties during the front-end development, we will inform you about that immediately.
The client has requested bi-weekly progress updates, so we'll schedule milestone reviews accordingly. This will ensure that the client is informed and can provide feedback to us as we go along.
Yeah, we can do that.
Alright guys, let's get it.
Sure, sir.
Good morning. How are you all?
We are all good. It's great to see you today.
I have been eagerly waiting to see the final website of our project.
Yes, your website is all ready, and I am very excited to show the website to you. From now on, Vaibhav will explain everything.
Sure sir, here is the website.
It looks amazing. Could you elaborate more about the key features of our website?
We have created a user-friendly interface with various categories from formal attire to casual wear.
I appreciate the attention to details.
Alongside the necessary requirements, we have also integrated a virtual try-on feature which gives this website an edge as compared to other websites.
So, what's the next step, Vikram? Are we ready to complete the deal?
Absolutely. I will send over the final invoice and all the necessary details. Once the payment is done, we will let you grant the access. Congratulations on your project.
Fantastic. I will take care of the payment right away.
You are very welcome. We are excited to see your website go live. And if you have any problems, please don't hesitate to reach us.
Okay. So nice working with you, Mr. Vikram. Have a good day.